friends, today I will tell you about vegetables.
What is this?
This is potato.
What is this?
This is tomato.
What is this?
This is onion.
What is this?
This is cucumber.
What is this?
This is carrots.
What is this?
This is cabbage.
What is this?
This is pumpkin.
What is this?
This is eggplant.
What is this?
This is sweet potato.
What is this?
This is peppers.
What is this?
This is mushroom.
What is this?
This is green chilies.
What is this?
This is peas.
What is this?
This is radish.
What is this?
This is asparagus.
What is this?
This is beetroot.
What is this?
This is spinach.
What is this?
This is French beans.
What is this?
This is zucchini.
What is this?
This is celery.
What is this?
This is coriander leaves.
What is this?
This is cauliflower.
What is this?
This is COLOCASIA.
What is this?
This is rich gourd.
What is this?
This is bitter gourd.
What is this?
This is garlic.
What is this?
This is bottle gourd.
What is this?
This is lady's finger.
What is this?
This is corn.
What is this?
This is yam.
What is this?
This is lettuce.
What is this?
This is leeks.
What is this?
This is broccoli. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you. Bye-bye.